first film I did with her, she made a complete gadha out of me because she was like damn relaxed on the sets and all. तो मैंने कहा हाँ यार ये she's a big star and ये तो ऐसे काम करी तो ऐसे ही काम होता होगा. I'll also be relaxed. And this is how stars are supposed to behave. And I made a complete fool of myself. But that's like you said, that's her approach.
Yeah.
And I can never put myself. I can never be like that.
Yeah, you're a different person.
Yeah,
You're a completely different person. But it was a lot of fun because for the same scene I had to say different things to both of you right through. But also one thing that I must say, Shahid, is that the fact that you guys know each other personally in life was something in my mind when I started working with you guys. But I don't know whether you realize it. You guys don't, I mean, you're very fond of each other and that's there. But you guys behave like professional actors. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि you are not bothered about your take because you want her performance to be better and vice versa. That dull, boring, romantic thing doesn't operate actually because you want to do the greatest job that you can do, and she feels the same thing.
We fight a lot about it.
Yeah, you do.
Because she's like what we've discussed. She is this person who just likes going there, doing it, and getting over with it. And I'm this person who likes spending time on it. And sometimes she gets very irritated with me for it. You know, can't you just be there and just do the shot, yaar? Why are you behaving like you're giving some... No, don't stop behaving like Einstein. It's just a shot. You know, that's her approach. And I find it very difficult if I don't, like, for example, sometimes if she might say, let's just go. And I say, no, I need 2 minutes to get into it. So sometimes we fight about it.
That used to happen.
Yeah.
But what I'm saying is that वो जो एक dull, boring, I want your shot to be better and no, I want you to be the... वैसा कुछ boring था नहीं, because, you know, sometimes it's good for an actor to be on the edge and want the best for himself. So that was operating. I mean, I was quite surprised at that.
No, that is essential.